Now, first, I'm going to tell you about one of my absolute favorite products. And I have to tell you, it's a favorite because I have two, well, teenage, almost adult, young sons. And this holiday season, these products are going to be under the tree for them. They will help all the men in your life slay the day. And of course, I'm talking about our brand new men's body care. We have a gift set for you that includes our 2-in-1 body and hair care. Let me turn that a little bit. And then also our hand and body lotion. Now, both of these items are going to come in a gift set in this attractive grooming bag for just $45. And you're going to love, love, love the unique and manly Mystic Musk, our official scent of these new products. Somebody said in the office the other day, now this is a scent that makes you want to follow a guy around. And, and it really is
dangerous.
Yeah. So next up, I've got another great gift set. It is the perfect gift for anybody that needs a little self-care. Now, this gift set we're calling our Regenerate and Restore gift set. It features body wash, body butter, a wonderful soft bamboo spa mitt, and that is going to be available in 4 scents, including a brand new holiday exclusive scent that we are calling Frosted Sugar Plum. And of course, all those items are going to come to you in this adorable magenta snowflake gift bag for just $49. Now, our entire holiday collection is inspired by the color of the year, which is called Viva Magenta. So you're going to see more of that color as we share additional gift sets. Also $49 is our Merry Maker gift set. I love this gift because it will absolutely help anyone relax during the hustle and bustle of the holiday season. Now, this set is also packaged ready to give. Let me show you the gift bag. It's a silver snowflake bag with handles. And this set includes a soy candle in your choice of citrus, vanilla, or frosted sugar plum, a coordinating body butter, one of our best products, and also these Viva Magenta Aloe Nourishing Socks. Aloe socks are kind of a, what do you want to call them? A hallmark of our holiday collections. And these are incredibly soft. The color is beautiful, and they pair so nicely with the body butter to pamper your feet. So I know that's going to be a popular one.